Okay, we're going to see into the future, and if you were here, I would have you shuffle this deck of cards as much as you would like. But since you're not here, I get to do your job and my job. So maybe I'll shuffle it one more time. And then what I'll do is I'll just take the cards from you, and I'm going to choose a prediction card. Now, of course, I'm not going to show you ahead of time what the prediction card is. That would not be too much fun, I don't think. I'll put the prediction card over here where you can keep an eye on it. Now, we need a number of cards for this effect, and so, but you're free to choose that number. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to deal out the cards, and I'll state how many we have at each point in dealing. And then when you feel like we have enough cards, I'll go ahead and stop dealing. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You want me to keep going? Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. You want 23 or 24? 23? Okay. That's just fine. We'll go with 23. Okay, so we have this set of 23 cards decided by you, actually. And now what I would like you to do is go ahead and freely cut off any number of cards from here. Okay, I'm going to try to do it and at least leave something. It looks like I just about cut all of the cards. That was genius. But anyway, nonetheless, hopefully we can be successful together. And so you've cut off this number of cards. Now, of course, if you were here, I would have you actually do that cut. So that genuinely is a random cut. It truly, truly is. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to deal out 23 cards a second time. But this time, I want to kind of mix them as we go by deciding kind of when to stop dealing them into piles, and I'll have you decide that. So once again, you'll have to trust that I would perhaps say stop where you would say stop, okay? And if you were here, you genuinely could tell me to stop at any point, as you'll see. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, stop. 22, 23. Isn't that how many cards we dealt out, right, the first time? So we have 23 cards, and we're going to stack them in the opposite order to which they were dealt. Okay, and that makes sense here, to just really mix these cards. Okay. So I have these 23 cards here, and whose order is actually decided by you, by the way, okay? And if needs be, if you've seen some of my previous performances, I'll use a die roll to decide how many to deal out into each pile, but I wanted to spare you that today. So what we're going to do for the first time, we're going to see how many cards you freely cut. And like I said, I cut a whole bunch of cards. So it's going to make it a bunch of work to count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there's 15 cut cards there. So what we're going to do is deal out the top 15 cards here. And that next card is going to be the card we'll use to determine if indeed we can see into the future. So we said 15, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 15. We said 15. So 15, okay? So for the first time, let's look at our prediction card. What is our prediction card? It looks like it's the 2 of hearts. Did we indeed see into the future? I believe we did. We found the companion. There's only one companion card. for each card in the deck, and we found it. So in some ways, we've kind of brought some balance to the space-time continuum here. So this is what we saw. That's what I saw. That's why I grabbed the Two of Hearts, because I just felt like, I think we're going to finish with the Two of Diamonds. Okay, so that is the see into the future using a top card and one prediction card. Okay, so let's talk about this and how it works.